Hi everyone and welcome back to Board of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to download Tor browser on your desktop. So first of all you have to open your browser and search Tor browser, and now just click on the first tab. Here you will see the download button on the top right side. Just click on it. If it's not downloading from clicking on this button, you can also select the windows on the below side, and if you have Apple or Android you will have to select the others too. As you can see that the Tor browser has been downloaded and the download has been started. Just wait it to be download. Now you have to click on open file. Here you have to select the language. I have selected English, and now you will select the folder in which Tor browser will keep its data, and now just wait to install. Okay, now you have to just click on OK, and the Tor browser will be opened in your screen. So as you can see that the Tor browser has been downloaded. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.